Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description. Welcome to our detailed guide on replacing the coupling and jar base of the Thermomix TM31. This process is straightforward but requires some attention to detail and the right tools. Let's get started. Tools you will need: 1. Phillips screwdriver. 2. Flathead screwdriver. 3. Soft cloth for cleaning. 4. A small bowl for screws. 5. Replacement coupling and jar base. Step 1. Unplug your Thermomix. Always ensure your Thermomix is unplugged before beginning any repair work. Safety first. Step 2. Remove the jar. Carefully twist the jar off the base and set it aside. You may want to clean any residue on the jar and base while you work. Step 3. Access the coupling. Using your Phillips screwdriver, remove the screws holding the base cover in place. Place the screws in a small bowl to avoid losing them. Once the screws are out, gently lift the cover off. Step 4. Inspect the coupling. You will see the coupling, which should be securely attached. If it is damaged or worn, it will need to be replaced. Take a moment to clean the area around the coupling to ensure there is no debris that could affect the new part. Step 5. Replace the coupling. Carefully pull out the old coupling. Align the new coupling with the drive shaft and push it into place until it is secure. Make sure it fits snugly. Step 6. Install the new jar base. Now, take the new jar base and align it with the coupling. Push down firmly until you hear a click, indicating it is locked in place. Step 7. Reattach the base cover. Place the base cover back on and secure it with the screws you previously removed. Be sure to tighten them enough to hold the cover in place without over-tightening. Step 8. Cleaning and final checks. Before you plug in your Thermomix, take a soft cloth and wipe down the area where you worked. This helps maintain hygiene and ensures no small parts are left behind. Step 9. Testing. Plug in your Thermomix and turn it on to test that everything is functioning correctly. If you encounter issues or feel uncomfortable with the repair, remember we offer professional diagnosis without obligation. If you don't have the tools or prefer not to attempt this yourself, we provide pickup and delivery at your home. No calls and no travel are needed, we can handle everything for you. Just reach out for a quote before repair, and we'll take care of the rest. And that's it. You've successfully replaced the coupling and jar base of your Thermomix TM31. Thank you for following along. Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description.